wanted.
You've been jealous of my
Motor
looks since the
styles,
fourth
let's
grade.
show.
Have a good day, sweetie.
You too, hon.
Ooh, okay, Sully, hop on in.
Nope.
Hey, with my joy, motor style.
We're walking.
Whoa, yeah.
I'll call you.
Car,
Hey,
bus,
you want to know what
airplane,
to drive it.
motor style.
With the honk honk and the boom boom. And no walking
Give
involved.
it a rest, will you, Butterball? Come on, you could use the exercise.
I could use the exercise. Look at you. You have your own climate.
Bananas and sugar, we go to show, we're gonna listen, gonna eat, whatever you go after you. We're gonna all go to playground. You go, selfish. Hey!
Oh, nuts.
La 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 la. Hey, fella! Hey, Tony! Hey, Tony! I hear somebody's close to breaking the all-time scare record.
Just trying to make sure there's enough scream to go around.
Hey, other house! Hey, thanks!
Nazi.
Bada bing!
Oh, great.
Hey, Ted!
Morning!
See that, Mikey? Ted's walking to work.
Big deal. Guy takes 5 steps and he's there.
Morning, Sully.
Morning, Ricky.
Hey, it's a Selster.
See you on the scare floor, buddy.
Hey, Marge. Hey, how was jury duty?
Morning, Sully.
Hey.
Hey, it's still leaning to the left. It is not.
Hey, fellas. Hey, Jerry. Morning.
Hey, Mr. Sullivan.
Guys, I told you, call me Sully.
I don't think so. We just wanted to wish you good luck
Hey,
today.
hey. Come on, get lost, you two. You're making him lose his focus.
Oh, sorry.
See you later, fellas.
Go get him, Mr. Sullivan. Quiet. You're making him lose his focus. Oh, no. Sorry. Shut up.
Monsters Inc., please hold. Monsters Inc., I'll connect you. Miss Fearmonger is on vacation. Would you like her voicemail?
Oh, schmoozy.
Googly bear.
Happy birthday.
Oh, googly woogly, you remembered. Hey, Sully Wooly.
Oh, hey, Celia. Will ya? Happy birthday.
Thanks. So, are we going anywhere special tonight?
I just got us into a little
With the
place
motor
called
style.
Harryhausen's.
Harryhausen's? But it's impossible to get a reservation there.
Not for Googly Bear. I will see you in quick time and not a minute later.
Not one. I have yes, you too. Motor style.
Oh, and thanks for hooking me up with those reservations.
Oh, no problem. They're under the name Googly Bears.
Oh, good idea. You know, that wasn't very funny. What's this? Wazowski!
What do you know? It scares little kids and little monsters.
I wasn't scared. I have allergies.
Sure.
Hey, Randall, save it for the scare floor, will you?
I'm in the zone today, Sullivan. Gonna be doing some serious scaring, putting up some big numbers.
Wow, Randall, that's great. That should make it even more humiliating when we break the record first. Ha!
Shh. Do you hear that? It's the winds of change.